From the very start, your goal is to get more work done in less time. These productivity tips will help you see how powerful online marketing really is. When you compare it to traditional offline marketing, the internet lets you accomplish the same results in a fraction of the time. The web is the great equalizer. It gives solo creators the ability to make an impact on the level of entire companies. But even though these tools are fast and powerful, you still need to optimize how you use them. The question becomes simple. How can you speed up your workflow so you accomplish more in less time? There are many ways to do this, and most of them come down to taking full advantage of the tools and systems available online. One of the most valuable strategies is outsourcing. Never underestimate it. If someone else can complete a task for you, you instantly free up your own time to focus on what matters most. So do not hesitate. Need someone to edit a PLR product cover, write your blog posts, or build a list of influencers to reach out to? Let them handle it so you can keep moving forward with the bigger picture. Then consider hiring a freelancer through a site like Upwork, upwork.com, or consider using a virtual assistant who will do nearly any online job for just a few dollars per hour. If you can do this, then you can get a lot of your systems to work for you. Heck, you can even go one step further and use service arbitrage. This means you're going to offer your services as a writer or a web designer for $30 per hour, and then outsource the work to a white label service that will do it for $20 an hour. You just pocket the $10. You can also streamline your workflow by making rules that you follow yourself. This might mean keeping communication overhead to a minimum by not engaging in Skype calls or online meetings, or it might mean simply finding ways to be more disciplined in the way you approach work. Setting yourself short blocks of time to work in can help, as can using things like the Pomodoro technique. Then there are tools like Asana, asana.com, that can help with time management, and things like IFTTT, ifttt.com, that can run your social media for you. Leverage these tools as much as possible to take all the things you're doing every day and to get technology and other people to handle them for you. This is how the busy business person should approach internet marketing, and you'll discover a lot more tips in the free resources that came with this training.